Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Luxury Life. Today we are talking about the who can create a Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce is now today as the most luxurious car brand in the world. The richest people dream of owning one, but surprisingly, it was started by a poor boy named Henry Rossi. Henry was born in 1863 in a small village in England. When he was just 4 years old, his father's business failed. Family became homeless. At age 9, his father died, and his mother worked as a maid while Henry sold newspaper to help. At 14, his aunt saw potential in him and helped him internship at a railway company. He worked hard, learned carpentry, math, and especially electronics. By 17, he was a skilled mechanic. At 21, he started his own company called F.H. Rossi Company with only £20. He repaired small machines and soon began making electric parts like doorbells and light holders. The business grew and was Henry over £20,000. Asian companies entered the British market and prices dropped. Rossi business started failing and his health coach advised him to get fresh airs and buy a car. He bought a French car called Decoville, but it was noisy, unreliable. So Rossi improved it himself and ended up building a completely better version. This gave him the idea to build his own car. In 1904, Rossi built a 2-cylinder 10 horsepower. It was smooth, quiet and reliable, but he needed someone to help him sell it. Enter Charles Rolls, a car dealer and motor enthusiast. He saw Rossi car at an exhibition and was impressed. They decided a partner, and in 1960, the Rolls-Royce company was born. Then came their most iconic model, the Silver Ghost. It was so smooth, could balance a coin on the engines while driving. It became the car of kings and business. Sadly, in 1910, Charles Rolls died in a plane crash, the first person to die in an airplane accident. Soon after, Henry Rossi was diagnosed with cancer, but he survived and returned to improve the Silver Ghost. During this time, Rolls-Royce introduced the spirit of dusty masculine lady sculpture to give the car a symbol of elegance and freedom. In 1914, World War I began and luxury car sales dropped. But instead of shutting down, Rolls-Royce adapted. They turned the Silver Ghost into an armed car of the military. It was also used in ambulance and force. Then became another big step, airplane engines. In 1915, Rolls-Royce launched its first aircraft engines, the Eagles powered by the Hawk, Falcon and Condor. These engines gave Britons a huge advantage in air combat and helped them with a war. After the war, Rolls-Royce continued making them cars and engines. These launched a small car called the 20, but it did not do very well. So in 1925, they introduced the Platinum with better brakes and performance. It was a Rolls-Royce bought Bentley, which was struggling together. They created the Bentley 3.5 liter, the Canary car, but sadly Henry Rossi passed away in 1933, just before its production. After his death, Rolls-Royce went through many ups and downs. They made iconic cars like the Platinum, Silver Shadow and Ghost. But in 1960, financial troubles forced them to split the car, and Rolls-Royce cars are owned by BMW and their aircraft engines are used worldwide. For them, the name Rolls-Royce still stands for ultimate luxury, engineering perfections and timeless design. Owning a Rolls-Royce is not just buying a car, it's owning a piece of history.